Now let's take a look at sensing, and we have a few commands here up at the top in regard to touching, which these are the ones that we're interested in because we want to control our game according to if the cat touches the ball or not. So let's take a look at touching color first. I'm going to move that over here, and let's color in half of our screen here. I'm going to go to Stage and Backgrounds, edit the XY grid here, choose the paint bucket, and I'll fill one corner in with the red there, and click OK. Let's move our cat down here and click on our cat, click on Scripts. Now, as you can see here, the touching color, if you click inside the box there, a little eyedropper appears, so you can move that onto the screen and choose the color that you wish to touch. Here, if I click on this command right now, it returns a false here, meaning that the cat is not touching the color red. It's returning false. But if I move the cat into this section here and I click on the command, it comes up true, meaning that the cat is touching the red color here. Now, the touching color is often used with the forever if control, forever if. So let me just drag this over. Forever if touching red, I got my green flag clicked here. When green flag clicked, forever if touching red, then do something. So let me see, let's find something. If you go into looks here, you can actually create a speech bubble. I'm going to say red, and what it's saying here is when the user clicks the green flag, forever do this action, forever say red, only if the cat is touching red. If the cat is touching red, that's what triggers it, that's what starts it. If the cat is touching the red, then continually say red. And it won't stop, it'll do this forever, and the only way it's going to stop is if the user presses the red button. Okay. Or is if we build it into the program, we can actually put a stop all in there ourselves. Okay. So one more time, this will do whatever's inside this forever loop. It'll do it forever when this condition is met, when this is true. When this becomes true, it's touching the red, then it'll keep saying red. Now let's try this out. I'm going to move my cat down here, press the green flag, and you can see, oh, I guess there's some red in my basketball there. If you take a look at the basketball, there's some red there. So as soon as the cat touched the red, so let's fix that. Let's go to our basketball and let's edit our basketball so that we get rid of that red color. So let's see, we choose the color orange, and it's just, there we go. Click OK, and let's try it again. And you can see the cat is following the mouse cursor, but it's not saying red. But as soon as I go inside this red section here, you can see it's saying red. And it's going to do it forever, even when I'm outside here. I'm not touching the red now, but it doesn't matter. It's doing it forever. Now if I click the red up here, then it'll stop saying red. The cat will stop saying red. So that's touching color.